Hey guys, it's your boy, Gemini, here to talk about a topic that's near and dear to my heart, money. Specifically, I want to talk about whether or not Dwayne Johnson uses Acorns. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why does it matter if Dwayne Johnson uses Acorns? Well, for starters, he's a huge celebrity with a massive following. If he's using Acorns, it could give the app a big boost in popularity. But there's more to it than that. Dwayne Johnson is also known for his incredible work ethic and his commitment to financial responsibility. If he's using Acorns, it could be a sign that the app is a good investment for the average person. So, does Dwayne Johnson use Acorns? Well, according to his Instagram account, he does. In a post from October 2021, he showed off his new Acorns Mighty Oak debit card. He also said that he's been using Acorns for years and that it's helped him save a lot of money. Of course, just because Dwayne Johnson uses Acorns doesn't mean that it's right for everyone. But it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for an app to help you save and invest your money. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.